I chose ACI Learning for many reasons. I was looking to transition career fields expeditiously, and ACI Learning provided a curriculum that was nights, so I could continue working full-time while gaining education and experience for a new field. They also have a great relationship with the VA, so I was able to use my benefits to pay for school. Ken Tripp was my advisor, and he laid out the program clearly and concisely, which helped enable my confidence to be able to make the move to a new career field. My experience training at ACI Learning was phenomenal. All the instructors had years of experience in their specific fields and knew exactly how to make the content relatable and easy to digest. I started at ACI Learning with zero background in the IT field and ended up at the end of my training feeling confident entering the field. Life after training at ACI Learning has definitely been interesting. I actually came out of the physical therapy field into the IT field, and within the first 2 months, I got a promotion and a hefty little pay bump, just based on utilizing all the information and skills I learned at ACI Learning. I continue to excel at this job today and can continue to climb further up the ladder. I'm impressed with all the skills I've been able to implement into this job from ACI Learning, and I'm really somewhere I never thought I would be before. And so to have this freedom and to be able to break out of that old career field and excel at something so quickly in a new field, it's rewarding beyond all doubt. If I could say one thing to the staff at ACI Learning, I really don't have words, to be honest, how appreciative I am. Brittany Kroropatnicki was instrumental in my success. She was my career advisor. She took me through everything. She put me in front of employers. She helped me professionally kind of get my resume together and all that, and was just integral in helping me through that interview process and landing that first job. Ken Tripp, he got me set up with the school initially, and he was just so informative and personable and inviting. And so ACI has just been such a welcoming environment all the way through. And I really just can't express how much gratitude I have for being in the position that I am today. And I wouldn't have been able to make that without those two. Really, shout out to you two. I'm beyond grateful for everything. I've had such a pleasant experience. So if I could say one thing, it's just thank you. My name is Stephen Lee, and I'm an ACI Learning graduate.